You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words. Yes, those are two different words. They are heteronyms, meaning that they are pronounced differently. They have a different pronunciation, but the exact same spelling. So how do you pronounce them in English, and why? So the top word here, well, I mean the bottom word is exactly the same, but the top word, let's consider, is the bird. It's also a brand of soap, quite famously. It's pronounced as dove. So you have an sound. Dove, dove. Okay, the E at the end is essentially silent, so don't worry about it. Dove. So that's your bird or your brand of soap. Dove. Okay. Now the bottom word is the past tense of the verb to dive, as in jumping into the water, jumping in a swimming pool, for example. That is to be pronounced dove, dove. So let's take examples of sentences. Yesterday, I saw this beautiful white bird. I think it was a dove. Dove, the bird. Let's use the bottom word in a sentence. My friend dove from a rock into the sea. It was so high. He dove from very high above the sea. Dove, the animal. Dove, the verb. Dove, dove. Did you get this? Did you get the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.